Have you been to those events where a special recipe is being served to only keynote speakers or to those at the VIP table? On this episode of Spice and Simplicity with Julie, I'll be showing you how to prepare a special delicacy, Asun, so you can be a VIP in your own home. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the ingredients. The ingredients are already marinated goat meat, marinated with salt, pepper, ginger, and onion. Sliced green and yellow peppers, sliced purple white onion and red bell peppers, blended habanero peppers and onion. And for the dried ingredients, we have Jemies seasoning, thyme, grinded, seasoning cube, and salt to taste. First, we add the goat meat to the dry pot and cook on medium heat till it's soft. It's 10 minutes now. I'll add some water and continue cooking till it's tender. Now the meat is soft. Next, we cut it into pieces and grill. Now put it in the oven to broil. 15 minutes has passed. So our goat meat is ready. Next step is to make the sauce. So I'll add the oil to start making the veggies. First we add our onion, and next we add our spices. So we're going with our blended habanero peppers and onion. So we allow this to cook for about 5 minutes before adding the veggies. 5 minutes now, so I'll add the goat meat before adding the veggies. Next, we're going with our bell peppers. Watch to this point. That means you're enjoying the process. Remember to like and subscribe to be receiving these great recipes. Add the red bell peppers. Then mix thoroughly. So it's ready to be served. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be receiving great recipes from this channel.